were watching above, one gazing in hatred, the other in love. One clothed in black, the other in white. The child never dreamed that the angels were there. He just longed for the fruits, so rich and so rare. How I should like that big apple so red. But I cannot forget what my dear mother said, that doing the things I'm forbidden to do would make me unhappy and grieve her heart too. Take it, the dark angel whispered, and eats it. It is not very often you get such a treat. There is no one to see you and no one to tell. So up went a hat, it could reach the fruits well. But the child paused a moment and said as he smiled, I'll not be a thief, I'll be a good child. The rustling sound stirred the soft summer air. One angel was gone, but the other was still there. The angel of darkness had taken its flight. The child was alone with the angel of light. In this little story, we plainly can see an everyday lesson for you and me. We can conquer temptation, the angel of night. If we listen to conscience, the angel of light.